radical feminism, and queer together with Jen.
Hi, we're back.
So, like I really now memorize your name, Jen.
Are you guys still active and
Yeah,
awake?
everybody is active and we have a lot of shout out. So I want to say hi and hello to the people in Raichule is listening right now. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Miguel Art is listening to us. Migrante Switzerland is also listening to us. We have also the Rebel Radio in the Philippines is also listening to us. Thank you so much for Mikay, who is also handling the programming. It's already around 3 o'clock in the morning in the Philippines right now. Yes, and you have some greetings from your friends.
Hi, I just want to greet my mother-in-law who's listening right now, my husband, my grandma, and my friends who are listening. Ate Linel from Tagalog TV, Yamis Pinoy from Munich, Juan Tamad, Kuya Sean Henry from Zurich, Ate Ayen, Unika Iha. They own the restaurant, the Filipino restaurant.
Oh,
They
really?
really cook good. I have to bring you one day there.
Please.
Patrick Cyril from Geneva, and Auntie Joy Sus from Bern, and to
Yeah.
all our listeners there.
Yes, and I also want to shout out the Shahamaran Association listening in Geneva. And thank you so much for featuring.